Hello, YouTube friends and visitors. Thanks for stopping by. Now, let's start with Bootcamp 6. Yay! And this is what my coach, Misha Wilson, is saying in these Bootcamp and laws. Also, I'm giving you what you can start doing to make money fast and simple. You can make money right now, really. And these are all legitimate. Now, this will most likely be the last time that I talk on these slides. And again, I have put together all the Make Money Right Now slides and all the Bootcamp 6 slides. And that's because it was very confusing when I add a Make Money Right Now slide and then a Bootcamp 6 Bootcamp slide and then Make Money slide and Bootcamp slide. It was just too confusing. So that's why I did it like this. So now let's just get started. You can download and install these apps. A lot of companies, including Google, will pay you for installing their apps. Moreover, you get paid for each month the apps are installed on your phone. Some of these sites include Shop Tracker. All you have to do is answer a few questions, then launch the app on your device, and you'll earn $3 instantly. Now, I know that don't sound like a lot of money, but when you sign up for all these Make Money Right Now apps, that money adds up. It really does. Now, you keep the app on your phone to earn money each month and help companies understand what people are buying online. Nielsen Mobile Planner. From the people that run Nielsen TV ratings, the Nielsen mobile app rewards you for using your mobile device. You can earn up to $50 a year. Mobile Expression, install this app and you'll be eligible to win prizes each week. You get to play an instant rewards game by participating in market research. Sign up for free gift cards. Ebates will give you a $10 gift card when you sign up and earn your first cashback rebate. It's great for online shoppers. Ebates is free to use. You just visit the Ebates website and click through to the store you want to shop at. If you want to buy from the store, Ebates gets a commission that they'll split with you. It's an easy way to save. And don't forget to just sign up. If any of these just, sound good to you, just sign up for them and start making a lot of money. You can start a blog or online business. You can make money every month through your blog. You can create your own blog with their easy 15-minute step-by-step tutorial. You can start a blog for as little as $2.95 a month, which is less than a cup of coffee. You can create a blog and leverage it into affiliate sales or product endorsement deals. Consider topics like travel, cooking, health, technology, personal finance, just about anything else. Sell your antiques. Now, did you collect things when you were younger or have items that fit your last home but don't fit your new one? Get out all your collectibles and sell them off. If some are antiques or collectibles, make sure to get them appraised. Otherwise, you may sell some rare items at low prices. Tidy up. You probably have much more stuff than you realize. According to the National Association of Home Builders, the average size house in 1973 was 1,644 square feet. That grew to 2,624 square feet in 2014. Clean the dust, sort out your storage closet, and put up a garage sale. If you are overwhelmed with stuff in your house, check out a great book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. The book is about changing your perception of your things so you can keep what is really important and get rid of what is not. You can rent your bike, cycle, snow sport, or any other gear. When not in use, rent out your favorite equipment. You can use Spin Lister to rent your sports gear. Rent out your studio space or music instruments. Is your guitar lying in the corner of your room without any daily usage? Make money by renting it on Sparkplug. You can do this for your other music instruments also, like amps, mics, harps, or your rehearsal room or studio. Back to Bootcamp. We're talking about Bootcamp. We're just starting really with Bootcamp 6. Working hard and working smart can be two different things. And this is by Byron Dorgan. Imagine the scenario for just a minute. Imagine waking up every single morning, not because of an annoying alarm clock, but instead because you're excited to see how much money you made while you were sleeping. Imagine waking up to a handful of commissions, notification, and one big $1,000 commission and one big $5,500 commission that you had earned while you were sleeping. Your money worries and stresses are a thing of the past. And every single month you have absolute certainty that you'll be able to pay all your bills, then have a nice chunk of change left over. You no longer have to punch a time card and work a job that you absolutely hate, as your online business generates more for you and your family needs. And you can do it all by spending as little as 30 minutes per day working your business. And yes, I did run over that comma after and. Please forgive me. Imagine having true freedom, both financially and time bound, to do what you want, with whom you want, and when you want. How would that feel? Sounds too good to be true? I used to think that also until it happened to me. And in today's training module, I'm going to share with you exactly how it can happen to you as well, by focusing on applying maximum leverage so you can quickly and easily launch and deploy your own profitable, lifestyle-friendly online business. But first, I want to do a quick recap to make sure we're on the same page. By now, you've learned the difference between tactics and strategies, and that most gurus are actually just trying to sell you more and more tactical solutions without ever giving you the full picture of what's needed to succeed. By now, you've learned the 5 key components to running a successful and profitable online business, and the difference between a coach and an advisor. By now, you've learned where most people go wrong in focusing too much effort on the traffic generation process and not enough effort on the economics portion of the equation to create true profits. By now, you've learned about all of the various elements that make up a complete ascension style sales funnel and how they serve as the filter for your high ticket offers. Yes, we came to the end of this video, and I need you to click or copy this link. And again, when you copy the link, you need to copy it and open up a new browser and open that link up so you'll learn more about Super Affiliate Network and how you can purchase it for $1. Don't forget to subscribe next to my picture. I need you to like my video and share it as well. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.